Still wasting hours on repetitive tasks? What if one click could automate everything?
Repeating the same tasks every day slows productivity and wastes valuable time. That's why I built this powerful Chrome extension to automate repetitive workflows. Fast, efficient, and incredibly easy to use, built to save time and boost productivity. With just one click, the extension handles repetitive tasks while you focus on what truly matters.
Ready to work smarter and save hours every week? Experience the future of productivity today.
Follow me for more Chrome extension and automation content. And if you need a custom Chrome extension for your business, feel free to contact me. Let's build something amazing together.